Welcome to this quick walkthrough where I'll show you how to easily get started with DEX Screener, whether you're brand new to crypto or already an experienced trader. The platform is simple, intuitive, and designed to help you find the information you need fast. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DexScreener.com. Always double-check the URL in your search bar to make sure you're on the official site. Once you're on the platform, you'll see a list of supported blockchains. Just choose the one you're interested in, like Ethereum or Solana. After selecting a blockchain, you'll be shown a full list of trading pairs along with useful filters. You can filter by age, price, transactions, volume, liquidity, and more, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. You can also monitor your portfolio without connecting your wallet. Simply click on Portfolio and enter your wallet address. The platform will automatically display all the tokens inside that wallet, giving you a quick overview of your holdings. If you're trying to find a specific pair but don't know the contract, just use the search bar. Type something like mooting ETH and the platform will pull up the pair you're looking for. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple crypto guides, and drop a comment if you want a walkthrough on another tool. Thanks for watching.